guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Cassie, aka NubianRockChick, and for those of you who don't know me, I am a married mother of two and I am an illustrator in the UK. And this is my studio. It's Monday in the studio and I am prepping for April NubianRockChick Nation subs, which is my subscription service that I have on within my website. I've got a ton of stickers, hold on. I've got a ton of stickers to cut. The kids have just done their kind of schoolwork for the day. And it's 20 to 6. It would be normally when I would like to finish work because the kids would be at school, but we've got a new schedule going on here, so we're just figuring things out as we go. But I've kind of just started cutting about an hour ago and I've made my way through some. The amount of stickers that I've got to cut is based on repeat subscribers. From month to month things can change, but I do have like a projected amount of who will be resubscribing, so I've gone off that and that is what I'm starting to cut. That's what all those stickers are about. So it's the 30th today, so we've got the 31st, so I'm trying to hopefully get these all cut in the next 2 days. I've already done I've done all the illustrating. I've loaded quite a bit of it onto my website, so I'm just cutting packs now so I can kind of have a little production line ready for the next couple of days, so I can just pick and pack what I need. I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, but I have been having real trouble trying to find my favourite paper, which is Canson Moulin du Roi or Var cold press paper. That is my absolute favourite. I've tried so many, guys, so many. I was actually going to do a previous vlog for the week about all the different types of paper that I've been trying, but things happened and I didn't get to finish that vlog, so I might discuss that in this week's vlog. But I've been trying so much paper which is expensive, but what I'm trying to do is trying to minimize the fallout for when they actually completely stop making that paper, because I've contacted Canson and they've said that they just don't produce that paper anymore, but it is still available in the UK. So I'm not sure if they're completely finishing forever and we've just got stock in the UK, or if they do make it for us specifically, I don't know. But it is actually beautiful paper. That's the paper I like to draw on. I've been using I've been testing out all my paper that I have, and I have a ton, guys. Anything that I don't use I will just pass on to my children, so definitely paper doesn't get wasted. But I'm really trying to, like I said, minimize the fallout for when they just say no, we're not going to do that paper anymore. It's been really difficult to find a paper that matches that quality. It's crazy. I don't know why I can't find anything that's similar, but luckily one company, which I hope they send it to me, Jackson's Art, have some left in stock, and I literally bought all of them because I want to start my calendar in illustrations, and I want to draw on that paper. I've tried to use different quality paper. The illustration, that's the video before this, I used a different quality brand, and it wasn't exactly how I would love it to be. So yeah, so I bought all the paper. I'm going to have a lot of paper coming to my house in the next couple of days. That will be my absolute best paper. So if I'm going to be practicing, I'll probably use one of the other qualities that I have, because I'm quite sketchy. It's hard to find a paper that can withstand my sketching, and it was my sketching and rubbing out, and then withstand the painting that I'm going to subject it to after. So I'm glad that's coming. I hope they fulfill my order. I hope it wasn't an error on the website, but I literally bought all of the paper. Hopefully it will come. and I will share with you my beautiful paper stash. So I am going to stop talking to you today, and I'm going to get on with cutting those stickers because I have a ton of cutting to do. And then I'll probably share with you tomorrow the packing station that I'm going to have to get everyone's orders ready. So I will catch up with you tomorrow, guys, and I will show you my progress on how far I've got in cutting that mammoth amount of stickers. And the children are making nice and nice. I am still cutting. Oh, let me pop you down. Hold on. I am still cutting lots of stickers. Don't worry about my hair. Quarantine life. I'm actually thinking of trying to get hubby to cut the sides off today. Because this is all grown out by now. So I've managed to cut 4 styles that are going into the sub packs this month. I've got 2 more to go. I grossly miscalculated how much stickers I needed, and I printed way too much sticker sheets, so that was painful. So I cut a lot of them, and then halfway through I realised I don't need this much. But anyway, we're moving on. We're moving on. I've got 2 more styles to cut. That is husband in the background talking. I don't know if you can see him. Can you see?
What are you smiling about?
Yeah, you keep talking over my video. So you're gonna cut my hair for me later. Sort this barnet out.
Wait, I'm gonna do what I can do. It's hard times, you gotta do what you can do, innit?
Yeah, needs it.
Mine's easy enough.
Yeah. Or shall I cut my hair like his? What do you think, son?
No, please no.
Yeah? Okay, so hopefully later we will cut these sides down. We don't really have the correct... I don't know if you'll be able to get through that.
I got a little something for that. I got a little something.
He's American today. My daughter is watching a documentary. I'm gonna cut the rest of the stickers. During the lockdown, the plan is to be safe is to only ship out once a week. So I've chosen Fridays as my shipping day. So I've got to get all these subscriptions out for Friday. And so today's Thursday, so I'm nearly there, because once I've got all those sticker sheets cut, it's really easy to pack. So I'm going to be doing that today, and although I do like it, but I just think it needs a bit of tidying. Anyway, I'm going to stop babbling and I'm going to get on with cutting the rest of those stickers over there. And if I'm brave enough, I'll record cutting. I'll be cutting my hair, or cutting all my hair off if it goes wrong. Stop cutting. This is what happens when I do my paint, when I paint my own artwork. I do something good and then I just keep going until I ruin it. So stop. This is the time to stop. Oh my god. He said because my husband is a bit of a perfectionist, so he keeps looking at my head to think, oh, I could tidy up that bit. I think he should just leave it.
I'm looking at when she's sleeping, I'm going to do shivers out. Just the little touches,
no.
Knits, little bits.
I think sometimes you just need to know when to stop. It's fine. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. Hi guys, it's the end of the day. We took a break to kind of sort this barnet out. So we sorted my hair out and I have finished cutting. Well, I think I've finished cutting enough. I'm prepping for the packs for tomorrow for Nation subs. So I've got all what I need for Nation subs, and I'm gonna kind of do like a little picking packing session tomorrow and ship out tomorrow, which is going to be my day for shipping during this all that's going on. So I'm going to be shipping out on Fridays only. So I think I've cut enough stickers. If I haven't, I've got more than enough printed out. What do you think of my hair, guys? Hopefully, if all went to plan, I have inserted a little bit of a video of my husband doing my hair, but the full video will be on my Instagram page, for my personal Instagram page. It was touch and go for a while. I didn't think he was going to do a good job midway through, but then he pulled it out of the bag, and I'm really happy with it. I'm looking a bit tired right now, but I'm going to shut down the studio for today, get everything shipped out tomorrow, then I'll probably spend the weekend tidying up. I know I did say I wanted to start the 2021 calendars drawings for March, but March was a no-go. It's now April, what is it? The 2nd. So I'm going to give that a go this month while it's going to be inevitably quieter. Anyway guys, so I'll catch up with you tomorrow when we are packing orders, and hopefully we'll be successful to get everything shipped out. Good morning guys, it is Friday in the studio. I am spending the morning getting out Nation subs, so I've got all my little packs that I showed you yesterday ready. So I'm going to pick and pack, and then I've got a few normal store orders that I just need to sort through. So it's like nearly 12 o'clock. It's 20 to 12, so I'm going to be working really quick fired because I want to make sure that I can get to the post office in a good time and I'm not rushing. Anyway, enough babbling. I'm going to get on with packing fast today, and oh, my voice is going, I don't know why, and getting some art out for Friday. My hairstyle's still looking not too bad. Thanks hubby for doing that, and we'll see how we get on for the day. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching and I hope you stay safe and I'll see you on the next one.